Morning friends, thank you for your time. Here I am with a quick recap on TASI based on today's event. As we know, market had a gap up today and opened at 10,908 and made a high of 10,989. I was just expecting it to touch at least 11,000 today, which did not happen. Before we move to the next part of video, here is a quick disclaimer. Do read it and only once you agree, proceed with next part of the video. So as you all know, I am not recommending any trade over here. These videos are only for information and educational purposes. Please do consult your trading advisor before placing a trade and do follow your risk management rules. Thank you. So it was basically a continuation day. As we know, today market opened with a gap and could sustain for most part of the day, but had a deep, very sharp correction coming on intraday basis, which again could not sustain and market closed in green. So basically, which all events triggered on TASI is something important. So I have gone through all the charts, and something that is of importance is basically on 5 hourly, 2 hourly, and 1 hourly time frame, followed by 13 minutes. But the good thing is that there's nothing, not much, not many events unfolding that might indicate that market is looking for a deep correction. But as we know, I've been talking since long that 11,000, because it's a round number, so it may attract some sort of resistance. But then nothing as such, to get worried about the market. Here is a 5 yearly time frame, 5 hourly time frame for you, and as you can see, a small mini divergence is being formed between 10,900 and 917, but that is okay. Then coming to the 2 hourly time frame, to on 2 hourly time frame, a small divergence uh, still remains. It is not as clean as we have seen on 5 hourly time frame. And mind you, 5 hourly time frame may not sustain tomorrow in case if market opens with a gap. So here we can see that there is a small divergence over here. Once market breaks this, it will be pushing higher, and that will bring fresh sort of energy for market. Likewise, on hourly time frame as well, we have got similar intermediate term divergence, which but as I mentioned many times, there is nothing to not a lot to get worried about, as long as as long as positive reversal patterns are not being broken. So as these divergences are getting cleared, the market will keep pushing high. Now coming to the 30 minutes time frame, on 30 minutes here, what happened was that you have got a very good pattern, because after all the divergences, market has given a correction from 989 all the way till 800, all 884 on intraday basis. Of course, on intraday basis, market also made a low of 10,800, 10,844. But on 30 minutes, what is of importance is here. So we have got a positive reversal pattern forming between these 2 points. It's not a very classic one, because as we know, this is what I generally look at, and I'm looking for classic positive reversal positive reversal pattern. Something like this is what I love to see. But anyways, so here is a positive reversal between 10,883 and then 10,884, which if if it does not mean anything, it is giving me clarity about the market. As long as market holds to this level, I do not have to get worried about. But anyways, this is a 30-minute time frame, and I'm looking for market on multiple time frames. Even if this reversal will be broken, market may give you some steep correction, but may not sustain, looking at the longer term direction of prices. For now, I do maintain the expected direction of prices to be moderately bullish to bullish. 11,000 is expected to 11,150, 11,000 expected to be one of the zones where I'll be requesting everyone to be cautious about, and 11,150 to 200 is something that I'm eyeing on a longer term basis for this market. But as we all know that that market is already operating in the overbought zone, so this got to be traded very cautiously, and do not get emotional about the market. Market can wipe out all the gains in 2 to 3 days time. That is what at least I have witnessed and felt during last 2 days, that is on Friday and today, in one of the markets. Most of the gains that were achieved over a period of months or quarters have been erased in 2 days only. So please be very careful about your risk management rules and manage your trades professionally. It all depends upon the time frame that you follow on which you're trading on which you're trading the market and the profit objectives that you may have. But nonetheless, be very careful about the market and do follow your risk management rules very strictly. Okay, thanks. So here again, I'm not recommending any trade on this channel. Please follow your recommendations of your trade advisors and follow your risk management rules. Thanks a lot. I'm very seriously looking at 11,150 to 200 to be blown this time for TASI, and the target I'm getting from this monthly time frame chart. This monthly time frame is giving a broader range, but I'm not going to discuss this monthly chart at this point of time. We'll see how the events unfold. I'm signing it off for now. I'll see you guys tomorrow if time permits. Expected direction of prices are clearly moderately bullish to bullish. With this, thanks a lot. Good night. Take care.